and that's the reason we call it scattered, and unfortunately that's what we have in the forecast for Friday and at least the start of the weekend. Over the last 6 hours, you can see the impact of those showers and thunderstorms across the southern half of the state. A better picture over the last 24 hours, radar rainfall estimates. We had some heavy rain very early this morning across the southern part of our viewing area that led to a couple of flash flood warnings, and it's the southern part of our viewing area that got hit hard again this evening. In fact, rainfall estimates nearing 2 inches across parts of Shelby County. But if you were in Noblesville or Carmel, you are wondering what rain, and this is what it looked like and what it looks like now over the city of Carmel. We are in the clear across a good part of central Indiana and forecasting to stay that way as we look ahead. Now, we are a little concerned, especially in those areas that had some rain, that we could get a little bit of fog. Visibility down to about 5 miles in Greencastle right now. Look for that to be a little lower first thing tomorrow morning. Temperatures are in the 60s and 70s, 67 in Marion, 75 in Muncie, 73 right now in Indianapolis. Temperatures aren't going to drop too much. We can't rule out a stray storm overnight, but I think the bigger weather concern, at least first thing tomorrow morning, will be some patchy thick fog. Now, tomorrow afternoon we get daytime heating, atmosphere destabilizes. Like today, there will be some scattered showers and thunderstorms, but also like today, we're not forecasting a washout, so there will be some dry hours, especially through early afternoon. A midday temperature of 79, and highs tomorrow afternoon will be in the 80s. Similar setup for the weekend. Scattered showers and thunderstorms, but not a washout on Saturday. Just a chance for a couple popping up on Sunday, and that chance gets slimmer Monday and Tuesday of next week. In turn, temperatures will start to climb back into the middle and upper 80s. So what you need to know for Friday and the upcoming weekend: lows near 70, highs in the 80s, scattered showers and thunderstorms, but we're also not forecasting any washouts in the 7-day forecast.